Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day, a mediocre day, or whatever kind of day you want because it's all up to you, up to you. Anyway, today I'm very excited because I was one of the lucky people who got the new Natasha Denona palette in their base box from Boxycharm. And today I'm going to do a look with it. And it is the Peak palette. And it is very lovely. And I can't wait to put it on my eyeballs. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot highlighter. Why do I always forget highlighter? I'm so crazy like that. I'm going to use Peach Goddess from Jeffree Star. That is a really amazing highlighter. It is a fantastic highlighter. It is one of my favorites, especially from Jeffree Star. Yeah, see? I'm an old-time gangster, see? I'm in a cartoon, you know? Don't ask me where this stuff comes from, but it comes from me organically. Or maybe my medication needs to be altered. You decide. We're going to start here with this color. Oh my God, that's darker than I thought. I should have done swatches. I'm just going to blend that out, which it does very nicely. Just blending it. It blends out fantastically. I'm trying not to say it blends like a dream. Well, what kind of dream is it? For the blending, you know. A little more on this side. These sides are so different. Everybody's got different shapes, but it just seems more dramatic when it's your face that's got all the stuff happening. Very good. Very good, young lady. Very good. So now I'm going to take a little fluffier brush and go in here with the lightest color and go under my brow bone. Baby, I'm yours, and I'll be yours till the sun it stops. I don't know the words, but I just love the baby, I'm yours part. Baby, I'm yours until the sun should fall down from the sky. Something like that. I don't know exactly. I've already told you I don't know the words. What is there left to do when you don't know the words? It's the saddest story ever told. So we're gonna go. This is just pretty already. I don't think this is just such a nice palette. I'm gonna go into this more orangey color. Oh my God, look how pigmented it is. I'm gonna do it on the other side too. Need a good blending brush for this. That little packing brush I just used is great, but this needs to be blended the hell out. I'm gonna use this It brush. And really this is just a very nice neutral palette with orangey tones in it. Orangey tone. Orangey, glad you're here. Orange, you glad you're here? I'm glad I'm here. This is blending out so nice. Not like a dream, but it's very nice. Just a touch. I'm trying to get just a tiny bit so I can blend it out over here a little more. Oh, that looks so good. I'm loving this palette. Now I'm going to take that packing brush again. Ooh, about to knock all my brushes on the floor. And I'm going to go into this brown color. And then I'll blend that out. I guess I'm going to use every color in this palette because it's such an easy palette to use to make a beautiful look. I'm just going to blend this out. Oh, it's so pretty. How come it's so pretty and it's such an easy look? We're only like almost 7 minutes in and I'm just about done. And I'm going to take the shimmer and put it on my finger and pop it on the lid. Oh, so pretty. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love this look. I love it so much. Let me get a little tissue. Now we're going to do my eyeliner and mascara. And then we'll do a lip and I'm done. This is one of the easiest palettes I've ever worked with. I'm going to use this little tiny KVD liner. There we go. Very cute indeed. I'm going to be using some Marc Jacobs mascara. I really am digging this. Really makes for a beautiful soft lash. Oh, it feels so pretty. This look just makes me feel gorgeous. And now for the lip, I'm going to use the Infallible in color 822. And I've got a beautiful look. All thanks to Boxycharm and this beautiful Natasha Denona palette. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Bye.